Teach what is fitting, is sound and true, for every believer, young and old too, lives reflecting God's holy name, so grace and truth may spread like flame. Older men, be temperate and wise, self-controlled with faith that never dies. Older women, live reverently, teach the young to love their family. Younger men, show self-restraint. In all you do, be free from complaint. Set an example in deed and word, so no opponent finds fault inferred. Oh, live your life a beacon of light, making His gospel shine so bright. Adorn His word in all you do, that others may see and follow through. Slaves, be loyal, serve with grace. Don't talk back, don't bring disgrace. Show honesty in every way, so God's teaching is clear today. Grace of God brings salvation wide, teaching all to cast sin aside. Live upright, godly in this age, with hope for Christ, our blessed wage. Oh, live your life a beacon of light, making His gospel shine so bright. Adorn His word in all you do, that others may see and follow through. Jesus gave Himself for all, to redeem us from sin's call, to purify a people His own, zealous for good through Him alone. Declare these truths, exhort, rebuke, let no one despise your truth-filled look. Stand with authority, bold and strong, lead the church where they belong. Live your life a beacon of light, making His gospel shine so bright. Adorn His word in all you do, that others may see and follow through. Grace appeared, teaching life anew, for all to follow, both me and you. So live your calling sound and pure, in Christ alone salvation sure.